Densitae Hair Transplant Center. Myself, Dr. Gajanan Jadhao. We have started this clinic on 1st of July 2020 in the peak of Corona. Due to the love of the people of Kerala, they asked me to come and start clinic here. It was not in my mind when I was started. It was due to the 100 bookings I had from the Kerala, and they asked me to, sir, please come and do our at least surgery. Otherwise, we'll go somewhere else and we'll land up into trouble. So that love and that affection for me land me here with the first flight for the Kerala from the Pune. So that the day we have started our journey, like that. There was no mousy, nothing, no like housekeeping, no facilities available. There was no support at all. Everyone was like afraid of traveling. So we used to send a car for the mousy to bring here and drop her on a daily basis. So that's the way we have started this clinic. It was very tough period of the Corona where we have started. Initially we had all the staff from the like Maharashtra and North India. Gradually we are upgraded with the local staffs. Now 50-50 is almost there. So this is like we have started our journey over here. And I feel like very proud to say that all Keralites given us a good support here. Everyone, like my family, everyone is like something like most of the time 10 days I'm here in Kerala. So I'm like 50% Baldu now. Okay. So this is a 2 years we have completed, and there are so many troubles in between. There are some people trying to drag us down, trying to defame us due to the problem with their business. Basically, they were used to do a business initially. Now we have started doing a hair transplantation over here. Like they used to have money only, there's no result used to have. Like I've seen so many patients having no results but spend almost 1 lakh, 1.5 lakhs rupees for the surgery. The day we have started clinic over here, everybody has started having a different aspects of hair transplantation. Now everybody is looking for the results. So we large density only talk about the results, nothing else. So this is what my basic purpose of starting a large density in Kerala is, just to give the results. The day I feel that I cannot give the result, I shut down the clinic. That is a very pure and clean-cut mindset of mine. And I think I just got very good support, and there are some people who are not liking it, having like we are just serving the community over here. We have started a free scheme for the hair transplantation, first time in, I think, in the world. We are doing first free hair transplant surgery. We have already done free hair transplant, which is free completely, without any single penny they have not spent from their pockets. So every month we are doing one surgery. Gradually we will increase those numbers also. So thanks for coming here, joining us, supporting us. Even your support will be required in the future also. Okay. Thanks for giving us an opportunity to serve you guys, and hope we'll keep on doing the same thing for everyone over here. Thanks a lot. You're gonna cut the cake for us.
Thank you for giving me the opportunity.
Yeah, please. Yeah, please. They are going to have a completely free surgery. Yeah. So these are the bookings had been happening in the last 1 week. So she is going to announce the name. Yeah, please. GS from Kannur. You will be a lucky person who is going to have a free surgery. Just
എൻ്റെ പേര് ജിയാസ്, ഞാൻ കണ്ണൂരിൽ നിന്നാണ്. ലാ ഡെൻസിറ്റിയെക്കുറിച്ച് ഞാൻ ഒത്തിരി കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്, യൂട്യൂബിലും അങ്ങനെ ഒരുപാട് ആൾക്കാർ പറഞ്ഞ് കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. അങ്ങനെയാണ് ഞാൻ സർജറി ട്രാൻസ്പ്ലാന്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ ഉദ്ദേശിച്ചത്. 22 to 30 വരെ ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അവിടെ ലക്കി ഡ്രോ ഉണ്ട്. അങ്ങനെയാണ് ഞാൻ സർജറി ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന സമയത്താണ് ലക്കി ഡ്രോ നടന്നത്. അതിൽ ഞാൻ വിന്നറാണെന്ന് അറിഞ്ഞതിൽ വളരെയധികം സന്തോഷം. ഫ്രീ ആയിട്ട് ട്രാൻസ്പ്ലാന്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ സാധിച്ചു. ഡോക്ടേഴ്സും ഇവിടെയുള്ള ടെക്നീഷ്യൻസൊക്കെ വളരെ ഫ്രണ്ട്ലിയാണ്. സർജറി മുമ്പേ ഇതുപോലെ ഞാൻ പറയുന്നത് കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു, ഇത്രയധികം പേടിക്കാനൊന്നുമില്ല. അനസ്തേഷ്യ ചെയ്യുന്ന സമയത്തുള്ള ചെറിയൊരു പെയിൻ മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ, അത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ വേറെ പെയിനൊന്നുമില്ല.